Did you kill Jill Dando?
She was so polished and so professional.
Jill Dando!
In many ways, I think people saw Jill as a TV Diana.
So glamorous, it's wonderful.
Jill was at the top of her game.
She was the nation's sweetheart.
The golden girl of British television, murdered on her doorstep in broad daylight.
Everyone had a theory about who was responsible. Criminal networks, mafia, Russian, jilted lovers.
Is this an assassination? Is this an execution?
The Crime Watch presenter may have been assassinated by a Serbian gunman.
Speculation focuses on a possible stalker.
This was one of the largest murder investigations the Metropolitan Police ever had to face.
It was the biggest reward in criminal history in this country.
Today, a man was arrested on suspicion of murder.
Do you recognise the person in the picture?
Anyone?
That's a picture of you, Mr. George.
During the course of the search, we recovered a lot of undeveloped film.
This was an injustice. He did not murder Jill Dando.
It makes me angry that they've taken 8 years of my life.
After his acquittal, there has been no more serious investigation into Jill Dando's death.
People are still coming to terms with one of the most bizarre murders ever committed.
Why would they kill her? What benefit would anybody accrue from killing Jill Dando?
The files should still be open on this case. They should be looking.
To be sitting here 24 years on and saying that we still do not know who killed Jill Dando is mind-boggling.
Whoever did it is still out there.